how to build an online course in Wix. Hi guys! Welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to build an online course in Wix. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so it will be easy to follow throughout the video. Let's dive right in. To get started, all you have to do is go to wix.com and open the website you have created. This is the website I have created recently, and I'm going to start selling courses now as well. If you guys haven't created your website yet, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your store dashboard. You can see the greeting, "Welcome back to your dashboard," etc. Alongside it, you can click on Design Site. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to a new window tab, and you can choose to let Wix create a site for you, or you can customize a design template for your website from thousands of templates available. Then you can now start setting up your website. To create an online course, firstly, you have to add the integration called Wix Online Programs. Going back to your design website, go to your Add Apps on the left side of the navigation panel, or the icon with 4 square tiles. Once you click on Add Apps, over here you can just type Wix, or you can click on Wix Business Solutions. And now, look for this integration called Wix Online Programs. You're just gonna click it and then click the Add to Site button. If it is already installed on your website, just click it open. It's Wix's native integration that enables you to add or sell online courses. Here you can start building your own online courses, and you don't have to use any third-party platform to sell your courses. After that, this new page called Program List will be created. And now access the pages and menu on the navigation panel, go to Site menu, and rename Program List just by clicking on Edit Settings. Here you will start editing your added program. I'll just rename mine to Recipe Courses, as this website is a blog related to food. I'm gonna fix the placements in my website header so it'll look nice. Here I'm just resizing, removing, and arranging the elements, and save it for later. Afterward, let's go ahead and start creating online courses. So, you can double click this program list and a window of your dashboard will open, and you can start building your online course. Or, you can hover your mouse over the Wix logo on the upper left corner and click Go to Dashboard, and this will open up the back end of your website. On the left side of your screen, you can see the online programs. Click on that and then click Programs. You can start building your online courses. You can build any kind of course you would like to, and under categories, you can add and create different categories as well. The categories you add, of course, should have a connection to your website. In this way, it will be easier to navigate the focus programs related to the topic. For instance, my website is all about food recipes, and so I'll have the basic category with its main ingredients, which could be fish, meat, or vegetables. I'll add here a category for vegetarians as an example, so all recipes and courses that are for vegetarians can be easily accessed. After that, let's go back to programs, still under online programs, and create your new courses depending on what type of course you want, such as for nutritional plan, for starting fresh, for fitness challenge, personal coaching, or simply an online course. So I'm gonna be using this online course and then click on Next, place on the bottom right. Then you can choose a template to get started with to start setting up your online course, which can be a time saver and can help to standardize your course. But let us just click on Start Fresh so you will start from scratch and have your control over it. So to start with, you have to give your program a name. I'll name my program Fresh Start to Vegetarianism as an example. Next up, you can choose if you want it to be self-paced or scheduled. With self-paced, it will depend on when your participant can complete and start the online course whenever they like to. However, with the scheduled, it'll be only for a limited time, and if only you want to create a sense of urgency. But if you want to create a lifetime course where people can purchase or learn whenever they feel like it, you can make it self-paced. However, for me, I want to make it scheduled because I want this for a specific time period. Now you can choose when it will start. You can choose specific start date where everyone starts on the same day, or a flexible date where they can start whenever they like. So for this course, I'll make it a 6-day duration. After that, I can begin adding my program details. So now I have my schedule on day 1. Let's say I'll add step and I can enter the step name. I'll just put vegetables, and then I can choose on which day I want this step to be. I can also add videos, images, or files, and then you will just click save on the upper right. Alright, now let's say for day 2, I'll have a quiz, so I can select add quiz, and then I will click on add questions and build my quiz over here. It can be a quiz with open-ended questions, multiple choice, number, or single choice. And then I can also edit the layout of the header and text elements. Now this is a great example of how you really simplify an online course. Now as you know, I have created a course that will last for 6 days. You can actually see it's really functional, and you can also import steps from different days to another day easily. So even if your online course would last for weeks, it will be easy to organize and arrange the steps for each day. Now that you have added all of the information, you can click on the price and you will see your online courses program settings. So here you can see the visibility of your online course. You can choose if you want it to be private, wherein they will ask for your approval to join, or it can be a secret where only your invited participants can join. Here I'll choose it to be for the public so everyone can join. And next you can choose if you want them to join for free or pay to join. I'll have it paid, and then I can enter the price I want for this online course, and if I want to include a subscription. But I will not include a subscription with pricing plans, so we will uncheck that. If you want to gather more participants, you can choose to have unlimited participants. Or if you want people to have their interest in your other future online courses, you can have limited participants. Now let's save this on the upper right and your program setting will show up. Here you can see the summary of your program. Under groups, you can create and connect a group wherein your participants can share their progress and start discussions, and rewards where you can create a reward badge for your participants once they finish the online course. A new feature also creates certificates for your participants as a reward. This way they would be more encouraged and actively participate in your online courses. Once you have finished this, you can return to the program details and click publish on the upper right. Now that it is published, go back to your website, click on save, and then view preview so that you can see the newly added program on your website. Now if I click on recipe courses, we can all see my created category here above and my created recipe course programs. Here I have the fresh start of vegetarianism. It's a 6-day course for 50 pesos or Philippine currency, and I can just click on join and purchase the course. So this is how simple and easy it is to build an online course in weeks. I hope that you understand everything and give this video a big like. You can also go back and watch again the video if you want. Don't forget to share this video and leave your comment or question down below. For more video tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to keep you updated. This has been Tech Tricks Tutorial. We'll see you again soon.